Hello everyone and welcome to the Euromed Scale Up Innovation Day. In this video, we will give you a brief overview on how to use Hopin during the event. So first thing first, the reception page goes live when the event begins. The event description will appear first to know more about it. Also, you can see who are the sponsors. You can check on this page during the event to check out the schedule of the event. All speakers are listed in the schedule with their social media platforms so you can connect with them. After that, we have the stage, in which the main talks will be happening during the event, from welcome notes, keynotes, power talks, and success stories. Afterwards, you have the session area, in which you can watch all workshops that are happening during the event. And if you need any assistance, please feel free to ask our help desk team. Networking is the key element of this event since you can connect with anyone who is attending this event and have a video call with them. Remember to click the ready button once you are. Moving on to the expo, you can find all you need about the partners and startups. You can watch their videos and register your interest to update you on their latest ventures. Then all announcements and messages will take place in the chat box, so keep an eye on what is happening there. Also, you can answer polls that we will be posting during the event. Interact with us and make the best out of this day. Note that if you are watching the event on your mobile phone, click the arrow button to see the stage icon and click on it to take you to the stage. Thank you for watching and see you on the 19th.